Welcome back and give it up for day 63. Today I officially weighed in just under 185 pounds, and you guys know I'm trying to get all the way down to 180, so I still got some more work to do. I'm not going to be hitting a workout today. What I'm going to do is save the big time workout for tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is take you guys through my complete diet today and how I'm going to cut some fat. It's almost 2 o'clock at this point and I have not had any calories at all. Been hitting the intermittent fast strong. All I've had is some water, black coffee, and a little bit of sparkling ice, sparkling water. I'm going to try and eat a small lunch today just so I can concentrate most of my calories in around dinner time. So let's get into lunch. All right, it is exactly 2 o'clock at this point, and I'm gonna officially have my first calories today and break the intermittent fast. Gonna be starting off with the salad. I made this up with some organic spinach and kale mix and a little bit of microgreens. I also topped it off with a small amount of avocado oil spray, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese. You guys know that I usually try and eat this for dinner, but I figured I'd change it up a little bit today and have it for lunch instead. And I always try and incorporate this salad as much as I possibly can because I don't take any supplements or do any steroids because I don't believe in any of that garbage. Then for the main portion, I'm gonna be having exactly 5 leftover wings that my girlfriend and I grilled up a few days ago. These are the Kirkland signature ones from Costco. I like to buy these in a big frozen bag. They're really good, high quality chicken, and they're easy to cook, and you can just take them out whenever you're ready to make some wings. Also have this topped off with a combination of a little bit of barbecue sauce, some mango habanero sauce, and a little bit of mild buffalo. I'm not sure which one is which, so I'm just gonna get surprised if one of them is spicy, I guess. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat up now, and then between lunch and dinner, I probably will have a cold brew, but I totally forgot to make any cold brew at my house, so I might end up going out and getting one. I'm trying to do my best today to keep my calories that I eat for lunch down a little bit because I want to concentrate most of my calories around dinner time. I personally noticed that I do a lot better on the intermittent fast when I concentrate most of my calories around dinner time because it keeps me from getting hungry late at night. So that's what I like to do. Hi, welcome to Salad & Go. We'll be right with you. Just a cold brew, no ice and no flavor or cream, please.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
It's gonna be $2.44.
Cool, thank you. All right, guys, I'm back from Salad & Go. Got some cold brew, and I got to get all this camera stuff set up when my girlfriend's not here to film me, so it makes it much more difficult. So shout out to her for when she's here for being so good at filming me. But you guys can see I got 2 cold brews from Salad & Go. The first one, they gave it to me with ice, and I said, well, I wanted it without ice, and they were like, we can just give you another one without ice. Do you want the first one with ice? And I was like, sure, I'll take it. I cannot drink both of these today because that is way too much coffee. So what I'm going to do is put away the one without ice and probably save it for tomorrow. And then the one with ice, I'm going to go ahead and drink it up just because the ice is going to melt if I don't drink it. So what I'm going to do is sip the top off here. And you guys know I love this place's cold brew. Salad & Go, it was $2.45 for one cold brew, and I ended up getting 2. And since I've been so good on the diet today, I'm going to go ahead and treat myself. Going to put in 2 serving sizes of this Chobani coffee creamer. That's going to be exactly 70 calories in this coffee. And if you guys are looking to get on your own weight loss and workout program, it's important to treat yourself every once in a while. You don't want to forget to enjoy life and have some of the stuff that makes you happy as far as what you eat. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this up. A lot of people drive me nuts because they're like, I'm never going to eat anything good or anything that I like. And that's just not sustainable. You got to have some fun in life and eat some of the stuff you enjoy just in moderation so you don't end up getting really overweight or having any health problems. So here we go. Here is 1. And then, I don't even know if you guys can see this. When I don't have my girlfriend to film me, I gotta like set up all this stuff on my own, and I can't really see if it's even in the shot or not, to be honest. I'm assuming it is. Gonna go ahead and drink this up. And then dinner time is going to be in a few hours. So I'll see you guys for that. Here we go. All right, it is officially dinner time. It's about 6:30 at this point. Tonight, I'm not going to be having any greens because I already had the salad for lunch. Here is the first dinner portion that I'm going to be starting off with. Again, I try and start off with portions that are smaller than what I think I need, just so I don't end up overeating by accident, because whatever you put on my plate, I'm 100% going to eat it all. Here I got some Kirkland signature chicken thighs, put a little barbecue sauce on these. The barbecue sauce I'm using, I'm not a huge fan of. It's the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and it really doesn't have the best ingredients. So I'm trying to phase it out, meaning I'm not gonna buy it again. I'm just using up what I got left. Then on the side, I got a little bit of organic mac and cheese. This one's actually really good and made with extremely high quality ingredients. I buy this at my local HEB. Gonna go ahead and eat up this first portion. Like always, if I get anything else to eat tonight, I will update you guys. If not, and you don't hear from me again, this was the only thing I decided to eat. I did not get another portion, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one. And since I haven't eaten a whole lot of calories today, I can have a little bit more with my dinner tonight and not be too worried about it and still stay at a small calorie deficit. All right, guys, I officially went back for one more piece of chicken. Here it is right now, but that's gonna be it. I'm officially cutting myself off from calories for the rest of today. That's gonna be it. Gonna drink a lot of water and sparkling water to get me through the rest of the night and to keep me from grabbing any more snacks or eating anything else. Just got back from my jog. The distance is about 1.5 to 2 miles. And I'm super drenched, not because I went for like a marathon run or anything. It's just so hot and humid out right now. I waited until the sun went down almost completely, and it's still pushing the mid 90s out there with the humidity of like 50 to 60%. So still really hot, but it's good for the body for me to get a little bit of a sweat in and to get that heart rate up. That's why I like to throw this in, and it's gonna help me speed up the fat loss process a little bit, just periodically throwing in some cardio every once in a while. I didn't jog the entire route. I only jogged about 85 to 90% of the time because I like to stop about at the midway point so my dog can use the bathroom and so I can take a little bit of a break and get my breath back. I'm getting to that point of the diet where I'm getting really lean, so I'm gonna have to push a little bit harder to get down to 180. And even if I go as low as 175, I'm gonna have to pick up the intensity, cut my calories back just a little bit more, because the leaner and leaner you get, the harder and harder your body is going to fight you. Because remember, your body does not want to drop the pounds because it's trying to keep it for a rainy day. So I'm going to have to really push through this plateau and go a little bit harder for these next couple weeks. That's going to be it for today's video. Stayed at a really good calorie deficit, ate mostly good quality foods, probably except the creamer in my cold brew, which has a lot of sugar, and then the barbecue sauce with the high fructose corn syrup. But I appreciate you guys watching. Gonna hit a workout tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and drink a lot of water, get a lot of rest tonight, so I'm ready to go for that tomorrow, and I'll see you then.